Israel.
Israel.
You say that you want to be an organic farmer. Where do you think that you will get the seeds?
Oh, yeah.
So you will buy directly from the Israel.
Israel.
So this is the reason. Look, when I was in the primary school.
Primary school.
I mean, that was in 1975.
Oh, 75.
Yeah. So our teacher was telling us something.
Oh.
One day he said this: everybody tomorrow will bring one apple,
One apple.
one tomato, one pepper. Okay. After a day, we bring them. He said, okay, all together eat it until the seeds. We eat all until the seeds. He said, separate the seeds, put into the garments.
Garbage, yeah.
Garment, which is this. Okay, put into the garments. And he said, please keep these seeds 30 years.
30 years. Come on, Paul.
Yeah, this is my advice to you. Keep it for 30 years. After 30 years, you will see that everything is going to be chemical. And the seeds is going to be artificial. Yeah, artificial. So at that time, give these seeds to the farmers, because the most valuable thing that the countries are having in themselves is the seeds. If you don't have seeds, how are you going to farm? Yeah. Okay. This is the reason, even though from today, whatever you eat, as in fruit, vegetable, doesn't matter, try to save the seeds of it. But be careful, try to get these fruits and others from the public bazaars, not from the markets, where they grow in their own gardens. Yeah, just save them. You have this tree, that's a wonderful tree. Maybe in 5 years you can do it, maybe in 10 years. Inshallah, you will do it much sooner. But from today, save it up. You will understand what I mean, let's say after 5 years or after 10 years, because this is what we are taught by our teacher in 1975, and we listened to him. We had a meeting after 30 years that we graduate from the primary school. So we were about 42 students, okay? So when we were about 48 years old, we had a meeting, we put together all the seats and give to the government hands. They separate to the villages. Right now, there is really very good quality fruits. Some vegetables exist in Istanbul because of our teacher idea. Yeah. Do it from today. Okay. As soon as you go home, whatever you tell to your family, tell to your father, mother, if you are married, to your wife, tell them save up the seeds. Don't throw it. Save up. Okay. Sorry for interrupt.
Yeah, right. Don't worry. All right, no more question, right? Pick something else.
I think it's the
Or show something. Yeah.